Hi, I'm Tim with AutoZone, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 often overlooked tools that you definitely want to have in your toolbox. Look at any DIY toolbox, and you're going to see the same things. Socket sets, ratchets, extensions, pliers, that 60-year-old pipe wrench that was passed down from Grandpa. But some overlooked specialty tools can save you a ton of time and frustration. A multimeter can check a battery, check voltage when troubleshooting basic wiring, and it can even be used in the house for AC electrical work. Now, you're going to want a multimeter that's going to be able to test AC, DC, and continuity. If you're still changing spark plugs with a standard deep well socket, stop it. A spark plug socket has a rubberized or magnetic insert that's going to hold the plug in position no matter how hard it is to reach the spot or to get the right angle. These specialty sockets will help protect the porcelain housing of the plug and are specifically made for really tight areas. These specialty extensions come with alligator clips on the end and an extra 10 to 15 feet of wiring so that you can test pretty much anything. Plus, they spool right up for easy storage. This just makes troubleshooting and testing a whole lot easier. Torque wrenches guarantee that nuts and bolts have one thing: consistency. You need it for engine and suspension work, but also every time that you put a wheel on. Over or under torquing lug nuts can cause serious safety issues or make it extremely difficult to remove the wheel later. Get it right with a good torque wrench. Chain or strap wrenches are going to grip and they won't let go. The minute that you need to gain leverage on something large, like removing a stubborn oil filter or holding a pulley in place, you'll be glad that you have this handy. You may not use it often, but when you need it, nothing else is going to do. If you're wrenching with any regularity, make sure that you have these tools handy. It'll save you a lot of time and frustration. For more tips, be sure to like and subscribe.